In this video, I'm going to show you how we can first just clean up our code a little bit so it's easier for us to make the next part, which is a sort and a reverse function. So our text here will be sorted, so it starts with A, B, C, D, E, or we can do it the other way. But first we're going to go through our code and just make changes, because some of the code we have here is the same more than once, especially this part here. So our for loop is actually used more than once, and we're actually going to use this again in the next part. So I want to quickly just clean it up like we did with CSS before. This is being used here, and it's going to be used in the next two functions I create. So instead of writing everything again here, the for loop, I'm going to delete this. So line 18 to 23 I'm going to delete. Remember not to delete, 22 to 18. Remember not to delete the opening and ending curly brackets of your else. So only this. Just delete it. And instead of having this, we're just going to use this function up here like we did with show. So just type do stuff, open your function, close your function, like so. Click save. Let's just go test to make sure everything works. Add, still works, very nice. So now instead of having to have extra text JavaScript to read through, we're just scaling it down. And you can continue doing this with all the things you can see that are repetitive. Don't overdo it, but of course it's a way that many people work, and going forward it's a work method you will see a lot if you're going into programming. That's just the basic cleanup, and in the next one I'm going to show you quickly how to create a sort and how to create a reverse.